Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at Forex, major Forex review right now. So today is the 21st. Euro, as you can see, it is getting close to the sell zone, and so it should be a seller in the, unless it can break that level. But we're now in the sell zone, so it shouldn't be a buyer. Now we go to the British pound and USD. The British pound USD is itching up, and as you can see, probably the next target is this one. But it is also running into another major resistance right here, so probably a pullback to half of this bar, and then you continue that agenda. You can see it's almost 20.24%. So I'm not going to buy here. I'm going to wait for pullback, about 50% pullback, and take it upstairs. USD job. USD job, as you can see, is also in consolidation, stuck out here. Normally I avoid this market. It's not going nowhere. He's been trading sideways for some time. Unless you want to buy this and hold it for a long time, I will stay away from USD right now because of the economy. USD CAD. USD CAD, as you can see, is also going down south. First target here, and if this play doesn't hold, we expect it to test this level. If it will hold, probably we want to go upstairs. So for USD CAD, I am neutral. I am going to wait until it reaches this level, and then I'll try to buy it and take it upstairs. USD Swiss francs. As you can see, this currency pair is on the downward trend. At this point, you want to just buy the pullback, let the bulls bring it upstairs and then draw a trend line here. And then once that you have confirmation, you continue to short this market until probably at this level. And then when the market sentiment changes to the upside, you can join it to the upside. But for now, you should be selling USD Swiss francs. Let's look at the Aussie USD. The Aussie USD has been on a good trend for a long time. At this point, I don't want to buy here because it is too hot. If you want to buy at all, you want to wait for the pullback, the 1 hour pullbacks, and buy it to the upstairs. At this point, most people, probably the big banks, will try to take profit. And so I'm not a buyer here. I wait for pullback and buy it, but I'm careful because I'm expecting a major pullback for this pair. New Zealand USD, same thing. This market has been very hot for a long time. Technically, we expect this market to break and break that level here and come and retest this level. But you don't want to buy on the top of the channel, so to speak. Wait for pullback and then you can buy. Hopefully, you can ride this thing. If it can break this level, you can ride it to this level. But for me, I'm going to stay away from this market until I have some space. So wait for a pullback this level, and then I can take it upstairs. Euro British pound is retreating south. Probably going to go up to this level right here. If this level hold, wait for a reversal candle, engulfing candle here after this level. When on the 1 hour or 4 hour, and then you can take it upstairs. But for now, today I'm expecting it to come and retest this particular level right here. Now the British pound, Japanese yen. Another market that is on the retreat. Now you don't want to buy here because the risk reward is not in your favor. Wait for pullback and then you can take it to this particular level. This is the next target. But wait for pullback. Don't buy right here because if you buy right here, your stop is going to be this way. The risk reward is not going to be in your favor. Bitcoin, I don't trade Bitcoin, but this is a market I will stay away from. As you can see, it's been trading on the sideways for a long time. I want to stay away from this particular market. Anyway, happy trading today. Always make sure you use your stops. Go for 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, and then don't overtrade. Happy trading. I hope this helped. I'll see you next time.